Hey YouTube, Ray from Badger Tuners. Today we're recording a set of videos to give you a taste of what we do here at Badger Tuners. Today we're using the shop truck as a guinea pig, and we're going to do some dyno tests on our chassis dyno. For the first video we're going to make the E85 switch, so from gas to E85. We're going to show you the benefits of E85 and we're going to show you how we do it. Let me first tell you about the shop truck. It's a two-wheel drive, half-done Chevy Silverado. It's got a stock LM7 5.3 liter. It has a mild cam in it, only 20 degrees of duration, stock springs. It's got Harlan Sharp roller rockers. It makes 234 horsepower, 256 torque to the wheels. Not in this video today, I'm sorry we didn't show you. We upgraded the fuel pump to a 340 liter per hour Walbro pump and the injectors to 38 pounds. We'd already previously dynoed it with just the cam, so we have those baseline numbers. But before we do the E85 switch, we want to see if there's any gain to be had on just injectors alone, to see if the injectors actually rendered better combustion and more power. And so that's it. Okay, so we've completed our first run and we actually picked up 5 rear wheel horsepower and about 6 on torque just on changing the injectors alone. I don't know if you could see that there, but that's not bad. We were hoping for a little bit more, so it was probably about 15 horsepower at the crankshaft. So after a little bit of tuning, we're ready for our E85 pull. Here we go. So as you can see, that turned out pretty good. We got 253, we gained 14 wheel horsepower and 17 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad for E85, right? A little bit of tuning. And we probably would have got more, except for the humidity was at 28%. Here we go. Yeah, we made more across the whole thing. Pretty cool.